Hello, today I want to show you how you can make a rich text area element mandatory. For my example, we are creating a new account and I have added a rich text area element. Again, just for this specific example, I want my user to give me a description and it has to be inputted inside of the rich text area. Let's save and preview. So I can go ahead and name my account and let's see what happens when my user doesn't enter a description. So if we go to my Salesforce, to accounts, I see that my account was created. So now let's go back and make the rich text area mandatory. To do so, you click on your element and go to the settings, click interactivity and check off mandatory. Now let's save and preview. Let's give it a different name. And now let's try creating the account. Because the user has not entered the description, we get a message reminding the user that the description field is mandatory. Another thing I want to point out is that we see now an asterisk. This right away should tell your user that that specific field is mandatory.